Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I come with a recipe that is helpful in turning out mouth-watering delicacies. That is Tandoori Marination Red Masala. This marination will help you in turning out awesome, tasty and mouth-watering tandoori chicken, mutton tikka, fish tikka and paneer tikka, and a lot of varieties of veg and non-veg starters. So let's get started. I have taken half a cup of mustard oil, chili powder 2 tablespoons, mix well, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, salt 1 tablespoon or as per taste, jeera powder 2 tablespoons, dhania powder 2 tablespoons, garam masala 2 tablespoons. Whisk it together. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Add juice of 1 lemon. And mix it nicely. I am adding 1 kg of hung curd which I have hung in a muslin cloth for 3 to 4 hours. Now add half teaspoon of kasuri methi which I have roasted and ground fine. Lastly, add about 1/4 teaspoon of edible orange color for that rich color. Our Tandoori Marination Red Masala is ready. You can store this marination in the freezer in an airtight container for 15 days to a month and use it as you require. If you like my recipe, please do not forget to post your comments in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe. Till then, bye bye.